So Bitcoin and altcoins are moving nicely, and in this video we are going to see an important move and the important update of our Bitcoin as well as of our altcoin. So don't skip this video, watch this video carefully. So let's start this video with our 4-hour chart of our Bitcoin. So this is a 4-hour chart, and Bitcoin breakout this upper trend line that I told in my previous update in my Telegram earlier that we are going to see a breakout, and same happened. We saw a breakout, and Bitcoin is going to this zone that is $1,20,500 area, and that's our local resistance for our Bitcoin. First of all, Bitcoin will reach this zone, and after that, if everything goes good, then Bitcoin will reach this $1,23,000 area. That is our all-time high. And after that, we have to analyze the Bitcoin again if it going whether it is going to touch the $1,30,000 area or not. So for that update, we have to join our Telegram channel. So let's start this another chart with our Bitcoin chart that is our daily time frame. So if you watched my previous video that I told that we are going to see a breakdown of this downtrend line, then we can expect a pump from this zone that is one like $11,000 area, and same happened. Bitcoin break down this downtrend line, and after that we saw a pump of from the Bitcoin from one like $11,000 area. So if you don't want to miss this type of quality update, then subscribe our channel right now. So now what is going to happen in our Bitcoin? First of all, if we notice this is a daily time frame, and here we have a resistance zone that is our approx $1,21,000 area, approx $1,21,000 area. So if Bitcoin closes daily candle above this zone, then we are going to see a $1,30,000 area for sure in our upcoming days. But if Bitcoin rejected from 1,21,000 area, then we are going to see this zone that is $1,11,000 area again. And if this support zone also break down, then the things for the Bitcoin and our altcoins will be bad, and then we are going to see the Bitcoin price approx $90,000 area. Why I am telling this, I will tell you in the next chart. But first we have to see this. If Bitcoin break this chart, this 1,21,000 area, then the doors will be open for our $1,30,000 area. So for this, you have to wait. We have to wait for the confirmation and the retest process. So we have to wait for the 1,21,000 area if you want to know the next big move. So you have to wait. And for short term time frame, we are going to see the $1,20,500 area that we discussed in our 4-hour chart. Now let's move to something else. We are going to see the chart of our CME. So this is the BTC CME chart, and here we have a CME gap at approx $92,000 area to $92,500 zone. That's why I am telling, if Bitcoin broke this zone that is one like $11,000 area, then we are going to see this zone that is $92,000 area. This will be very bad for our Bitcoin and whole crypto market. But everything is depend upon our this zone that is one like $21,000 area. If this zone break, then we are going to see one like $30,000 area. And if this zone not break, then again BTC have one chance to remain the $1,30,000 area by remaining by stay ever by this zone that is one like $11,000 area. So everything is a matter of time now. We have to wait for some time for the big move of our Bitcoin. And now if we talk about our altcoins on and BTC dominance, then this is a chart of our daily time frame of our Bitcoin dominance. And I also updated a Telegram in my Telegram channel of our this Bitcoin dominance chart. First, Bitcoin dominance is was making this pattern that is our bearish flag pattern, and I told that we are definitely going to see a breakdown, and same happened. We saw a breakdown, and here it have a strong support zone also that is our 60%, 60.6% dollar area, 60.6% area. So Bitcoin closes daily candle below this. That means Bitcoin dominance break down this support also, and now it is started retesting. If this current daily candle closes below this 60.6% area, then we are definitely going to see a very good fall in our Bitcoin dominance that will lead that, and that will result as a very good pump in our altcoin. So overall, if we talk about short term time frame, then the things are looking very good. Altcoins are looking also good, and we gain some profit in our Telegram channel also from our long calls, and we are going to see a pump in our Bitcoin in short term time frame also. Everything is now going to see everything. We have to wait for the long term. If you want to the long term analysis, then you have to only wait and the was the Bitcoin chart.